Lastly, we have our settings page. Settings can be found via the gear icon at the top right of your home screen. The settings section provides you with the ability to update your account information, set up or update your electricity prices, complete your warranty, add another Red Earth system, especially if you're an installer who installs multiple Red Earth systems, change which system's data you are currently viewing, and turn on and off push notifications. Regardless of which system you have, the app will always display the on-grid version the first time you download it. If you are an off-grid customer with either a BlackMax with monitoring, a Honey Badger, an off-grid Drop Bear, or a Copperhead, you can change the app to cater to your system through Settings, Account, System Specifications. At the bottom of the screen there is a toggle for off-grid mode. After turning on this off-grid mode, you can see that the home page has changed slightly to remove any unnecessary elements that don't apply to off-grid systems, such as the grid, buying and selling prices, and the financial outcome screen. Energy production has also swapped the bar from grid to generator and removed grid imports and exports. This aims to better present properly named and relevant information for our off-grid customers. Let's further explore the account section. Here, you can preview and update your warranty details, so it helps us making sure that if you have any tech support requests, we know which system you are, and if we need to send warranty replacements for you, we can. Please note that the email address cannot be edited, as this is the primary link to your account, and if you wish to change your email address, you will need to create a new account. Now, System Specification will display your identifying information about your Red Earth system. This includes the type of system you have, your chassis number, and your inverter serial number. This information is especially important if our support team members ever need to identify your system. You just look here and give us the serial numbers and we can find your data for you. This screen is also where you can turn on and off off-grid mode, which is designed to be more relevant for BlackMax, Drop Bear, Honey Badger, and Copperhead systems. If you have an on-grid system, we advise you not to use this mode. Next up, we have electricity prices. This screen allows you to input or update your plant's electricity prices, which is the price you buy or sell electricity to and from the grid. We have a full setup process for you to follow in the app, which covers how to find your electricity prices and how to put them in the app. Note that we can support single price tariffs, time of use tariffs, or wholesale electricity prices for our customers on energy trading. If you own multiple systems, or if you're an installer who installs multiple systems and would like to be able to view their data to make sure they actually are operating properly, you can add them to your account by tapping the bottom button, Add Plant to Account, and scanning the QR code found on the system. If scanned successfully, you should now be able to see that system's data. You can switch back to any linked system in the main settings screen. Moving back to the main settings screen, we have a push notifications section. A push notification is a message that appears on your device even if the app is closed. For push notifications, at the moment we have two options for you. The one we expect most customers to work with is the battery state of charge notification. So this sends a message if your battery goes below a selected state of charge. It gives you a heads up just in case you want to be aware as to how your battery is functioning. Additionally, if customers are interested, we also send end-of-day summaries, and that brings you to the home screen so you can actually see how your system has performed through the day.